mayum Maikay Labam Chavum Kangana Lanjana Leba, Mayum Hanjage Haibida, Hanjan Hanabohonabagi Mahuta Lengagna, Tear Gas Capson and a Pools and a Chay, the Natobogi Pimam Mani Pudale.
माननीय श्री AB अकाय जाम जी
Megitang a home Lisinganiga Kulumdoi, the gay Horki Beirang, the gay Mayum Maikay Labam Chavum Kangana Lanjana Leba. Mi lising kaya ma mayum hanjage haibida hanjan hanabohonabagi mahuta lengagna sarkarna tear gas caption na phudana chaidana tawbagi phimam mani pudalai masi makhoi bu hanjan haning deba misguided maroina kuki kangbu khrana su hanjan hanba yaroi haibidugi mateng pangsan bagum thokle akoina kawroi dabadi chahi ani sujala abada ngasi bawada Marai Baktina Layraba Lanjana Ribe Recha Sing the Se Sarkar and Masagi Topum Tok Pumatodang Pangtok the Badagi Toki Bani Haibugi Mahut Matakta Mukshu Hanjan Hanabohonabagi Mahuta Makoibu Hanjan Nadan Bahonabagi the Mating Pangsanba Tabuk Tobogi Mami Yam the Chowna Lay Masi Yamna Labok. So I like to draw the attention of this House to the fact that there are more than thousands and thousands of people are still linguisting in relief camp. And I appeal to the government of India that they should draw up a concrete, honest and transparent plan to ensure that these people go back to their homes before we mark the 3rd anniversary of the crisis that began on 3rd of May 2023. Thank you, Chairperson.